Emily. I'm a registered osteopath based in the UK, as well as the director of Osteo Physio events. Osteo Physio events offers workplace seminars designed to teach you and your employees about posture, movement, stretching, and coming up with long-term plans of action to prevent injury. We've also moved on to online courses designed to reset the posture over 6 weeks, as well as reducing lower back pain in the workplace. So as an osteopath, I absolutely love treating people, but I would find day to day that there was always something missing, and people would come in, feel better, and then go back to work, and the problems would still come back again. So I wanted to create something that would mean that I could get into the workplace, address all of the issues, help people take responsibility and feel more informed, and reduce the risk of injury. A typical half-day workplace seminar is broken down into 5 key topics. So number 1, addressing optimal posture and optimal body mechanics. Number 2 is the typical signs and symptoms that arise from poor posture in the short and long term. Number 3 is looking at daily tips and advice within your working environment, so stuff that you can do day to day. The part 4 is daily tips and advice outside your working environment, so how you extend that beyond the workplace. And number 5 is creating a unique long-term plan of action for each person that attends. If you feel like this is something that either yourself or your company needs, visit us through our website at www.osteophysio.co.uk. But to also get a better glimpse of the other stuff that we are doing, you can visit us through our YouTube channel, which is Osteo Physio, or our Facebook page.